welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, super oily ko guys. Sorry, kauwi lang namin. Well, kanina pa. Pero ngayon ako mag-sleep. And I decided to do a get unready with me. Naisipan kong gawin ito dahil wala lang. Nakakagaling lang namin sa SM San Lazaro. Kain-kain lang kami doon. Family day. So with this video, I will just pamper myself because I think I deserve it after like 2 weeks of working and stuff. So I'll be using these products from a recipe for honey skin. First one is the cleanser, which is here. Yeah, this is the cleanser. It's so nice and cute. Actually, it's my second time na-try yung Papa recipe, pero ang na-try ko lang is itong face mask. If nakita nyo, napa-picture ko na to sa isa kong video. And after cleansing, you have to reset, which is the moisturizer, I think. And ito yun. Cute! So cute! Yellow! I love! Pagka-open ko pa lang, sabi ko, oh my gosh, yellow and white. Okay, anyways. After that is the boosting, which is the serum. Propolis Ampoule. I don't know how to pronounce. But I think it's a serum. Then after is moisturizer. Oh, so this is the toner and this is the moisturizer. Bombi cream. Bombi honey. And then the last step is the face mask. So, let's try this. Unahin natin itong pagka-cleanse. Dali natin ito sa CR. And then the rest, iwan natin dito. Kasi ito lang naman kailangan ko. Anyway, let's go. Hi! So, I'm here na sa banyo. Wow, so konyo. Ang oily na ng eyes ko kasi nagtanggal na po ako ng waterproof mascara using oil and yung cotton pad. Sorry if hindi ako nakatingin sa camera kasi tinitingnan ko yung sarili ko sa screen. And I'm using my phone to vlog because I don't have any camera yet. This one is the Eggplant cleansing foam. It's my first time using it. Sana violet. Ang cute nito pag violet kasi diba eggplant. So. Oh, it's not violet. Sorry guys. It's not violet. It's white. Let's foam it up. Pero the smell is nice, but it's not strong. May smell siya kapag nilapit mo talaga ng todo, pero like other cleansers na pagka-open mo pa lang as in, like sumasapak yung scent. Hindi. I'm trying to be gentle na massaging my face because I'm noticing that nakaka-lines na yung face ko. Let's wash it. Ay, saan ba ako? Hindi ko na kayo nakikita kasi nakapigit na ako. It's really moisturizing, guys. It's not doing that tight effect. Love it, guys. It's so nice. This is what my face looks like pag nag-dry na. Look, it's not tight. My skin is soft. Let's try the other products. Okay, so after natin mag-cleanse, ang next step is to reset or to tone. It's rid of makeup residue and other impurities for a smoother, dewy complexion. Wow, I'm so excited. Nagamitan ko kaya ito ng cotton pads. Try natin na ilagay na lang muna natin sa kamay natin. Kaya tayo ng ilang drops. Sorry guys, tutsang yung buhok ko. Ano ba yun? Plum na nga lang. Ayan siya. Wala siyang amoy. It's up to you kung gagamitan niyo ng bad. Reminds me of this toner na ginagamit ko before. It's not harsh sa skin. Next step is to boost, which is the serum. This is the serum or the Propolis Ampoule. Ampoule? Feeling ko Ampoule. Ampoule feels right. Parang hindi tama Ampoule. Propolis Ampoule. This contains 95% propolis extract and moisturizing components to give your skin a quick extra boost, especially in a time of skin crisis. Ba't kaya time of skin crisis na? Okay. Kasi diba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, na-try ko na yung face mask. Kaamoy nito yung face mask. Feeling ko, yung serum na nasa face mask is ito. Wow! Nag-conclude. Okay, feeling ko absorb na siya. Well, it's really hydrating. Ganito yung feeling ng face ko after kong gamitin yung face mask. Ganito yung feeling ng face, di ba pag once tinanggal mo, like after 15 to 20 minutes. Ganito yung feel niya na parang plump. It's really moisturizing. Second to the last step is moisturizing. Immediately hydrates skin with its formula that bursts water droplets upon application, resulting in vitalized and radiant skin, which I like. I want to have that radiant skin, parang mga Korean type of skin, which is very hard to achieve. Okay. Mukha siyang petroleum, guys. Kita niyo ba? Ayan yun. Consistency kanina. Tapos, once na in-spread mo sa face mo, boom! Parang kang nagpahid ng water sa face. So, for our final step is the face mask. Packed with unique gold complex and propolis extract. I told you! Sabi ko sa inyo, extract to heal and protect your skin for an overall healthy glow. It uses a natural pulp sheet mask that's suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Let's put this on. Meron siyang film, hindi siya katulad ng ibang face mask na yung face mask mismo. May one problem with this face mask. Hindi siya sakto sa mukha ko. Sobrang liit ng mga holes. Ginagawa ko, ina-apply ko rin siya. Binababa ko sa leeg. Sa leeg. Tapos sa arms ko. Okay, see you. So, ayan po. Nakalipas na ang 20 minutes. At sinisinok na din ako. Oh my gosh. Wow. Guys, itatawid natin to. Patapos na, diba? Tapos tsaka pa sa nila. Yay! Absorb na! It's time to sleep. Kit ng headband ko, guys. Okay, so I'm all done. It's time for me to sleep. Super na-enjoy ko yung skincare nito. All the products that I've mentioned earlier available in Lazada, Shopee, BeautyMNL, and Zalora. So you can check them out there, guys. Just search Papa Recipe and then you can get all the products na ginamit ko if you want to try it. And it's very, very affordable. Ganda lahat ng products nila. As in, wala akong hindi nagustuhan. Thank you very much for watching this video. And I'm so sorry if sinisinok na ako. Basta itatawid na natin to. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Follow me on all my other socials. And I will see you again very, very soon. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you all. Keep safe always. God bless us all. Love lots. Love lots. Bye.